I'm Dan Brisebois, and this is the Farmer Spreadsheet Academy. Today, we're going to talk about unique. This is my favorite formula. You can access the spreadsheet from this link. Make sure to use caps on the FSA. For some reason, the small letters don't seem to work. So here we have some harvest records with what crop we're harvesting, what variety, the dates, the block, and so forth. And for today, we're not going to look at these details on this side. Instead, we're just going to look at this area here. Now, there's a bunch of different crops, bunch of different varieties. If you use a filter, like we do look at in step number 9, you can see there's only 4 or 5 crops here. But when you look at this whole list, it can be a little bit long to figure out what everything is. And this is what we'll be using the unique formula for. The essential question that we're answering here, what crops are we harvesting? So here we would do equals unique, open parentheses, then we'll go and highlight the range that we're looking at all the way down here, and then close parentheses. And so this draws up each crop that we're looking at: beets, carrots, arugula, mustard, lettuce. You'll notice that these aren't in alphabetical order. To put them in order, we're going to use the sort formula. So here we'll do equals sort, that's the sort formula, open parentheses, and then we'll write in our unique, open parentheses, and we're going to go and highlight the range that we want to look at. Close parentheses, close parentheses. This shows those same crops, and it puts them in chronological order or alphabetical order. We can also extend this range beyond one column. So here, if we say equals sort, open parentheses, unique, open parentheses, and we're going to look at this first column, column A, but also include column B, so A4 to B74. We'll close parentheses and close parentheses again, enter, and here, it's actually drawing out the first 2 columns. So here, the crop and the variety. So arugula and tournesol, beets and red ace, and so forth. And it's putting them in alphabetical order, first of the crop and second of the variety, the next column. And that was unique. I'll be back next week with probably a little bit longer spreadsheet tip. In the meantime, have a great week and happy farming.